Welcome back to the CoinChimp YouTube channel. Today we're an important topic in preparation for what is coming for Kaspa, ZK Rollups. If you're hearing about them for the first time or just want to understand how they can transform crypto space, this video is for you. By the end, we'll connect it all to Kaspa and the exciting Sparkle project. Let's go then. ZK Rollups, short for Zero Knowledge Rollups, are a game-changing Layer 2 scaling solution for crypto chains. But what is a Layer 2? Let's start by understanding Layer 1. Networks like Kaspa, Bitcoin, or Ethereum are considered Layer 1 because they handle and validate transactions directly on their own chain, provide core security and decentralization through miners or validators, are responsible for recording all transaction data permanently on their network. Now, Layer 2 is a separate network with its own transactions and addresses, but it relies on a Layer 1 for the final validation and security of its transactions. Examples of Layer 2 solutions include Arbitrum and Optimism for Ethereum, which use optimistic rollups, and Lightning Network for Bitcoin, designed for fast and cheap payments. Here's how it works. All transactions on Layer 2 are processed in batches, depending on the specific Layer 2 technology. These batches are then sent to the Layer 1 network like a Kaspa, where the data is included in a block and validated by miners. Once validated, the results are sent back to Layer 2, ensuring the security and integrity of those transactions. In the case of Kaspa, the plan is to use ZK Rollups to bundle multiple transactions into a single batch. A cryptographic proof called Zero Knowledge Proof, ZKP, will verify the entire batch's validity. Instead of recording every individual transaction on Layer 1, only the proof is submitted. This drastically reduces the data load and significantly speeds up transaction processing. Chains like Ethereum and even Bitcoin struggle with scalability. High demand leads to slow transaction speeds and skyrocketing fees. ZK Rollups address this by reducing the burden on the main blockchain while maintaining security and decentralization. The result? Faster, cheaper, and more private transactions without sacrificing trust. Now, imagine combining the scalability of ZK Rollups with Kaspa's advanced architecture, which is on track to achieve 10 blocks per second BPS this year, enabling around 3,000 transactions per second, TPS, on Layer 1. By batching hundreds of transactions into a single ZK proof, Layer 2 could surpass Kaspa's Layer 1 capacity many times over, all while preserving Kaspa's strong decentralization and security. Sparkle will provide the framework for ZK Rollups, enabling scalable and secure smart contracts on Kaspa. Initially based on Rust and later supporting other platforms like Cairo, Sparkle will unlock Kaspa's full potential. With 10 blocks per second and ZK proof over a proof of work Layer 1, Kaspa will support unparalleled scalability while maintaining atomic composability for smooth and reliable interactions between applications. This is critical for seamless operation of DApps and DeFi protocols, providing a significantly better user experience compared to ecosystems like Ethereum. Sparkle's framework ensures high MEV resistance, offering enhanced security for both DApps and their users. Check out our previous videos for a more detailed explanation about MEV resistance and atomic composability in Kaspa. Sparkle is not a Layer 2. It's a framework providing the required elements to use ZK Rollups on top of Kaspa, enabling developers to build their own Layer 2 solutions with smart contract support. This is a great opportunity for developers to create their own Layer 2 ecosystem on the most scalable proof-of-work network, tailored to any need, no matter how complex the DeFi protocols. The plan is to keep Kaspa running its network nodes as efficiently as today, free from added complexity that it could increase compute demands or impact its core values. Sparkle will function as an add-on atop Kaspa, offering massive flexibility without burdening the Kaspa network. This opens the door for an appealing ecosystem capable of handling complex operations in areas like gaming, finance, and emerging technologies such as AI for machine-to-machine transactions. ZK Rollups and Kaspa's Sparkle project represent a giant leap forward for crypto scalability and security. They offer faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions while maintaining decentralization. With Kaspa's innovative architecture and the power of ZK proofs, we're entering a new era for decentralized applications. What excites you most about ZK Rollups and Sparkle? Let us know in the comments. I hope you found this content valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and insights like this. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter to stay updated with the latest developments in this technology and beyond. Let's keep exploring and learning together. Until the next time, cheers.